At the heart of Tingui Park, surrounded by greenery and quiet landscapes, stands one of Curitiba's most meaningful cultural landmarks, the Ukrainian Memorial. Opened in 1995, the site honors the Ukrainian community that helped shape the cultural identity of Paraná in southern Brazil. Inspired by traditional wooden churches of Ukraine, the architectural complex stands out for its craftsmanship and spiritual atmosphere. The monumental gateway leads visitors toward the replica of the Orthodox Church and the traditional house, preserving historical artifacts of immigration. Behind the church, a striking metal sculpture shaped like a pysanka, the traditional Ukrainian decorated egg, symbolizes life, renewal, and cultural identity, reinforcing the meaning of the memorial. Encircled by nature, the site creates a powerful contrast between European heritage and the Brazilian landscape. More than a monument, it is a space of memory and belonging. The Ukrainian Memorial, tradition that transcends borders.